My primary concern, Your Honor, is the former or previous privilege speech of Board Member Fernando. In relation to the privilege speech of Board Member Fernando regarding the alleged installation of welcome marker by the municipal government of Tuba Benguet in the territorial jurisdiction of Pugu, La Union. This representation in the company of BM Fernando, BM Joy Sabuan, Provincial Assessor Engineer Cacho, and concerned barangay and municipal government officials after brief consultation with Pugu Municipal Mayor Geraldine Bulao had conducted ocular inspection in the 3 disputed areas of the municipality of Pugu, La Union. First, we proceeded to the western side of Barangay Palina, Pugu, La Union, and therein we have indeed seen the welcome marker of the municipality of Tuba Benguet, which marker was placed about 7 to 10 meters before the boundary mark between Palina, Pugu and Taloy Norte, Tuba Benguet. Though it is only about 7 to 10 meters before the boundary mark of the 2 provinces, if computed horizontally and vertically, it could likely encroach more or less 3 to 5 hectares of the territory of Pugu, La Union, Your Honor. So this representation proposes that said welcome marker installed by the municipal government of Tuba Benguet be transferred to that area just beside the boundary marker between Palina, Pugu and Taloy Norte, Tuba Benguet, to prevent the possible reduction of the territory of Pugu, La Union, and to avoid misconception as to where the territorial jurisdiction of Tuba Benguet actually starts. Besides, the boundary marker is very visible and it is not actually the main subject of controversy. Yun lang ang unang nakita ni Board Member Jefferson Fernando. Subsequently, we proceeded to the more blatantly contestable territorial claim of the municipal government of Tuba Benguet, specifically on the eastern side of Palina, Pugu, La Union, because the municipal government of Tuba Benguet insists or consistently claims that their territorial jurisdiction starts in front of the 30 feet tall Rotary Club monument. But per further verification, we found out that the boundary between Palina, Pugu, and Tuba Benguet is still more than 1 kilometer from that Rotary Club monument. What is our instant legal and documentary basis? On the northernmost portion, the land therein is titled in the name of Mrs. Olaican, and she has a title which clearly states that the location of his or her house and lot is Palina, Pugu, La Union, for which reason she annually pays her real property tax not in the municipality of Tuba Benguet, but annually she pays real property tax in the municipality of Pugu, La Union at the municipal treasurer's office therein. And the residents of the land area of Palina claimed by Tuba Benguet attest that they pay the real property tax in the municipality of Pugu, La Union. And under IPRA law, if you pay your real property tax in a certain municipality, your property is definitely considered as belonging to the territorial jurisdiction of that municipality. The only problem is that they pay the real property tax in Pugu, but they vote in Tuba Benguet. More shocking, Your Honor, is the territorial claim of the same municipal government of Tuba Benguet in the eastern part of Caris, Pugu, La Union, because right before the bridge of Caris, Pugu, La Union, again, the municipal government of Tuba Benguet had installed a welcome marker which says, "Welcome to Tabaan Norte, Tuba, Benguet." But per verification, we moved upward and we found out that the boundary marker installed by ONCC, now NCIP, is located 1.4 kilometer away from the bridge or away from the marker. And how did we find it? Coincidentally, a person who is drunk by the person of Dionisio Valeriano is slowed down, and we asked him, "Uncle, ijay nga iti, ayan na jay boundary ti Benguet kan La Union, dita kawayan, adati muhon dita." So, we proceeded to the Kaukawayan or to the bamboo trees pointed by Dionisio Valeriano, and we found out in front of the bamboo trees 10 inches by 10 inches boundary marker installed by the National Commission of Indigenous Peoples, formerly ONCC. For further verification, Board Member Fernando proceeded to the other side of the road, but above the said square-shaped boundary marker, and he asked the occupants of the house there in Tamakiis Bunsa. And the occupants of said house said that this is already part of Tuba, Benguet. So we have proven beyond reasonable doubt that the marker installed by NCIP is indeed the marker or boundary between Tuba, Benguet, and Caris, Pugu, La Union. But the municipal government of Tuba, Benguet had installed a welcome marker 1.4 kilometer away from said marker, thereby claiming almost 100 hectares of the municipal territory or territorial area of Pugu, La Union. All in all, Your Honor, the municipal government of Tuba, Benguet is asserting territorial claim over almost 187 kilometers or roughly 190 hectares, Your Honor, which we could not, of course, allow because that would considerably reduce the territorial area of Pugu, La Union by almost one half, and they might be considered already as a mere barangay. Aside from the fact that it has no legal, factual, and historical basis. Historically, the province of La Union was formed by the merger of the southern municipalities of Ilocos Sur, Bangar, Balawan, Luna with the northern municipalities of Pangasinan from Rosario to Bacnotan with the western municipalities of Benguet, specifically Sudipan, Santol, San Gabriel, Bagulin, Burgos, Tubao, and Pugu. Common sense dictates that the territorial area of Pugu, La Union, when it's still a part of the province of Benguet, should be the same area when it was included as one of the component municipalities of the province of La Union when it was officially created as a province in the year 1901. Nevertheless, Your Honor, pending the peaceful resolution of the boundary disputes between the two municipalities, Pugu and Tuba, Benguet, our urgent concern is the preservation of the harmonious relationship of the two indigenous municipalities, Pugu and Tuba, Benguet, by passing a resolution of status quo, respectfully requesting the municipal government of Tuba, Benguet to voluntarily remove the welcome marker it had installed right before the Caris Pugu Bridge and to change the location of its welcome marker at the western side of Palina Pugu to be placed on that area just beside the marker between Palina Pugu and Taloy Norte, Tuba, Benguet, to correctly establish conspicuously the correct boundary of the two provinces, Your Honor, and that resolution will be passed today for approval with deep thinking, Your Honor. Thank you, Your Honor.